In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we'll take a look at how to draw an old man sitting in a chair. For a more detailed step-by-step process of this demonstration, be sure to check out howtodrawstuff.com. Let's get started drawing an old man by drawing a line from the head to the feet of our subject. This will ensure that we get the entire figure in our picture plane. This old man will be seated in a chair, so the line will bend where the figure bends. Next, we'll continue to build the drawing by drawing a basic stick figure to indicate the bone structure of the old man. I like to use shapes for the hands, feet, for the head. You should also begin to draw the chair that the man is sitting in, as this will affect the realism of the pose. Next, we'll use the bone structure as a guide to begin to thicken things up. You should begin to draw the clothing around the stick figure. Develop the chair a bit further here as well. You may want to plan out where the details of the face will be as well. You may notice that the lines are loose. This makes your figure drawing have a bit of character and life. Now we'll continue to develop the drawing by adding wrinkles in the clothing and the facial features. Don't forget about adding some hair. You give the jacket a bit of gravity by having it hang over the chair. Now, using the lines that you have on your paper as a guide, you can complete the drawing of the old man. Add some shadow in consistent areas and maybe add some glasses. Also add a bit of shadow underneath the chair and the figure. And that's how to draw an old man in a chair step by step.